Chevy has addressed the problem with the purge valves in the 2019 model year Traverse and issued an extended coverage bulletin. It's not exactly a recall, even though it does provide you with free repairs. The difference is that you won't see this bulletin if you check your VIN for the recalls on the manufacturer's website, but when you ask your dealer to look at the applicable warranties section, this TSB will pop up. The number of the TSB is N232395300. So the problem is that in the model year 2019, Chevy installed defective purge valves in certain Traverse models. If your VIN is covered, the purge valve warranty is extended to 150,000 miles or 15 years. This also works for Canada with the 240,000 kilometers warranty mileage cap. The defective purge valve will not completely close when needed and will keep letting some air seep through the opening into the intake manifold. This will make the engine control unit go crazy and set a bunch of codes such as P0496, P0442, P0455, P0171, etc. The engine may hesitate, lose power, run rough, or vibrate when idling. If you have these symptoms in your Traverse, it makes sense to get the car inspected at the dealership and apply the extended warranty. Also, if you replaced the purge valve in your 2019 Traverse before June 2023 and paid for this repair, you may apply for reimbursement. But this will only work if the repair was carried out by the dealership.